All the babies are coming out too.
Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new. Watch the sky fade into the night. With you, my arms, nothing can go wrong. We'll fall asleep on a starlit beach, just us two, somewhere new.
Morning, we're here in the garden and we're ready to do some harvesting. We've got a whole crop of potatoes we're going to get out of the ground, a bunch of okra that we need to harvest, some yellow squash, and one other thing I can't remember. But before we start that, you guys have got to take a look at these lemon cucumbers. If you have never seen these things, they're small, spicy, cute, have a great flavor, and one plant will give you dozens of them. They're awesome. You want one?
Ew!
There's spikes on that.
But they're good spikes.
Wait, is it the zucchini we have to harvest?
I think so.
We
ready?
That green
Are we ready?
zucchini.
Yes. Okay, take
Let's
a shot.
go.
Bye.
I didn't know if I was supposed to break your back or not.
All right, you ready? Oh my God, look at that. Nice one.
It's as big as my eyeball.
Ready? Got it?
Yep. I'm gonna go look. Yes,
Oh,
there is.
jeez.
Look.
And pretty good size one there. Nice.
Dad, I found the biggest one.
Put both your feet on it. I'll hold it up.
Oh my God.
Do it again. And one more time. Okay, now slowly pull it back. I'll pull the plant up.
So small.
Violet?
Just put them down.
All right, now it's time to harvest some okra. Now what we have here is a Thai okra. The seeds were sent to us last year by one of the viewers on our channel. And these things are so thick, we need special scissors. But I gotta show you how big these things get. Come check this out. They get absolutely massive. So this one is already up to 14 inches, and it's still going to grow a little bit longer. It'll probably be a good 18 by the time it's done. But we're gonna leave this one for seed, and we're gonna harvest some of these shorter ones. You don't wanna eat them when they're too long because they're really tough.
Wait, could you see that one? I want to see how long that one is.
That one is, let's do centimeters. 38 centimeters, which is a little over 14 inches. Wow.
So that would
Nice.
technically be 1 foot and 2 inches and a half.
Nice. Good
It's
job.
taller than me.
Get to harvesting.
Yeah, totally taller. And we're gonna get you.
Now that we've got the okra finished, we've got 3 beautiful zucchini we need to pull. So here we go. Number 1. Now that we got the zucchini, it's time to get some of our yellow squash. I got my eyes on a beauty here. Look at that.
When we head back out, we're gonna see you.
Hi Brenda, have some garlic.
3 garlics.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yes.
Yeah, very good for you.
We love garlic.
We had
I love
harvested.
garlic.
Lily would eat nothing but garlic if she could. All right, I think you're set.
Sounds like a good
You got
plan.
enough vegetables to last
You
you
know,
all
these
week.
grow wild
Yeah.
here.
And that's our harvest for today. We managed to get a few okra that were ready, whole bunch of radishes, carrots, zucchini, yellow squash, about 30 pounds of potatoes, and a whole bunch of little extras for neighbor Brenda.
Ah, that I feel so special.
There you go.
And that
That'll keep you going all week.
zucchini and
That's a
squash.
welcome home.
Wait,
Yes.
And squash.
let him have the zucchini and squash.
Yeah, little zucchini.
Perfect.
It's just me.
Yeah, I can help you carry
Nice.
the stuff. Okay. Did you grab those?
Let's
two?
go home.
Let's go.
Go home.
You carry the car. I said let's go home.
I'll be right back.